First of all, in terms of appearance, the general shape of the Mercedes-Benz GLC basically continues the family design language and has a classic air intake grille design. The middle grille, in addition to the smoked metal grille design, has a flying wing-style chrome coating that looks quite textured. The headlights on both sides have a more atmospheric structure and use LED headlights, and pixel headlights can also be installed optionally and support delayed closing and automatic steering functions. In addition, a C-shaped side guide groove has been added under the headlights to further increase the sporty feel of the front face. The tail shape is also quite striking. The feather-like taillights are simple and stylish, and the lava headlights have been given great importance to the design. At the bottom, there are silver protection plates and dual exhaust pipes, which are also quite design-oriented. When you turn your gaze to the side, the body posture presents the long front, short front overhang design common in rear-wheel drive vehicles. The aluminum alloy rims of this car are large in size, and 19 and 20-inch rims are offered as options. Its shape is also quite avant-garde. The sharp waistline connects the front and rear lights and creates the finishing touch. In terms of dimensions, the Mercedes-Benz GLC's body length is 4,826 mm. Its width is 1,890 mm. Its height is 1,714 mm. And its wheelbase is 2,977 mm. While it meets the standard size parameters for a mid-size SUV, and its interior is also quite comfortable. After all, it is a 5-seater vehicle, and the front and rear rows and storage area are also quite spacious. Despite being a luxury SUV, the workmanship and materials in the vehicle are also quite high level. All areas that can be touched in the car are soft, and the seats are covered with leather. Sitting on them has good support and hug, and you do not get tired easily after sitting in the car for a long time. In addition, the new car has seat heating/ventilation, Burmester sound system, first-row soundproof windows, 4-zone air conditioning and other configurations, while the design of the ambient lighting is also relatively high level. The front cockpit is also one of the pioneers of its time in terms of design. This design overlaps with the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and S-Class. The classic ball-style air conditioning outlets and thick steering will have a good design, especially when the ambient light is turned on. A complete style comes to the fore. In addition, 8 airbags, 360-degree panoramic view, chassis perspective, full-speed adaptive cruise control, fatigue warning, automatic parking, L2 driving assistance system and other configurations are offered as standard in the new car. The entire Mercedes-Benz GLC series is equipped with a 2.0T turbo engine and 48V mild hybrid system. The maximum power is 204 and 258 horsepower, and the peak torque is 320 and 400 Nm, respectively. The transmission system is a 9-speed manual transmission. In addition, the new car has a 4-wheel drive system as standard, while the front and rear suspensions are offered as 5-arm independent suspension and air suspension.